Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, and Shiba in that order. Right now, we are looking at, we're going to go to the daily chart on Bitcoin. Right now, it's not looking too good. I want to see if 60,500 holds. Maybe we get a bounce there. If we get a bounce there, then we could see maybe a potential turnaround here. Especially on the 4 hour. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. If that doesn't hold, then let's see if the 60,100, this previous low, holds. And if that doesn't hold, actually, I want to see 6,000 hold up right here. Let's see if 6,000 holds up. If 6,000 doesn't hold up, then we're going to be looking at the 59,500 area. So I'll bring that down, 59,500 area, which we ripped right through it. This was a little resistance here, and we just busted right through it. So that could be a spot where we look for a bounce. If that doesn't hold, then yeah, this could be a downside move. So let's keep an eye on it, guys. Very, very important here. I'm not saying that's 100. We look for the bounces first. We're still in a huge uptrend, especially on the longer term charts here, and I still haven't really. I seen it. This is a nice top on the 4 hour. Let's look on the daily. I mean, I guess you could say that. Yeah. So here's what happened, guys. Remember, we had I had this thing yesterday where I said I've never been off like that. Well, I figure what happened. They announced that ETF. I wasn't aware of it at the time, and that caused it to pump even harder. Now we're getting a dump, though. Now this is what I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about the ETF news. I don't know, okay, but I'm concerned that we got the ETF news. Bitcoin went nuts right before it. They got the news, and now we're dropping. Okay. I don't know if it's sell on the news. Okay. Now we are getting a turnaround. So let's see if that happens. I don't know if that's the case, guys. But everybody's excited about this ETF, and it's this big breakthrough. And I don't know what's going to happen. We never had an ETF crypto before in our life. Where did it bounce at? It's pretty close. 60,650. I mean, it does look like it's bouncing. So let's see what happens. We're going to look at Ethereum because maybe that's turning the market. Sometimes Ethereum will take over and control Bitcoin a little bit. But back to the ETF. Well, it's kind of getting a bounce here too. So let's see what happens. But guys, usually ETFs, believe it or not, in traditional markets, the hedge funds short ETFs more than they go long on them. So I don't know how that's going to affect Bitcoin and crypto because it's like paper trading. I don't know. I'm not sure what's going to happen with this ETF. All I know is that hedge funds are going to be looking to short it. I don't know. Because usually when we get shorted now, it's off of buy bids with real Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin goes down in price. I don't know how it's going to affect with ETFs if they do start to short it hard. But institutions, they short ETFs more than they long them. Okay. So this will be interesting to see what happens. I'm not sure what's going to happen. But looks like we are getting a nice bounce here. So let's see if this continues. Let's go to the hour chart. Okay. So maybe we got something popping here, especially above 61. Let's bring this down. Let's say, 61,300. We could get a nice move to the upside. Ethereum, looks like we're getting a little turnaround, guys. Let's see if this can hold up. Ethereum, I would like to see us get above this previous high, which was 38.50. And guys, look, we hit the fib. We hit the high on my fib right here as the high. Let's see, it looks like we were about $5 off or $7 off. So it's not bad. We had 39.60 from yesterday's video. I did the Fibonacci for you guys, and we did actually bounce off this fib right here at 3,800. Okay, but let's see if 3,800 holds. If 3,800 doesn't hold, then we could go to the downside, maybe 3,750, and then we could get to this level down here, 3,650 to 3,675 area. Okay. Now, if we go to the upside, I still want to get. I mean, I still want to see us. Well, we basically want to break this high again at 39.70. So we want to break this high, trickle up effect. So that's what I'm looking for. A little resistance at 3,900, and maybe a little bit at the previous high at 38.53. So let's keep an eye on that for Ethereum. For Matic, guys. We did hit our upside target here for our sell zone. Then we got rejected twice at it. Now we're getting a bounce off our bounce zone at $1.50. Let's see if $1.50 holds. If not, $1.44 and then $1.35 would be a good place to look for maybe an entry if we do get that low. To the upside, I want to see us get a 4-hour candle closing above 160. Then 166, and then we could go for this 180 to 185 area, and that's for Matic. Cardano, guys. Let's see what happened on Cardano. What do we got here? 216, huh? So we did get a nice little double bounce on the 4-hour. Let's go to the hour and see if we got a W shaping up now. Maybe on the 15-minute. Maybe get a short-term little move. Let's see. Yeah, we could see something like that. So keep an eye on that. It was shaping up for a little M, and they reversed it on us. So it looks like there's some good support coming in right around $2.17. So let's keep an eye on that. I would like to see us get above 220 again, 221 actually. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing. Let's see. Actually, you know what? That's for now. What am I? I'm on the 15-minute. That's not a good chart to look at, guys. I want to see us get above. Let's get back above 219, 220, and then we'll go from there. Then maybe up to, what do I have, 222? Yeah, and then 222, 225 is a main area. And then hopefully we can break that and get back up to this 240 area, 237, 240 area. This is looking nice on the 4-hour now. We are getting a reversal on a lot of different things right here. So let's see if this continues. Even Bitcoin. Let's see if it gets rejected and rolls over. So let's see. Cardano's looking good right now. Let's see. Even Matic. Oh, no, this is Solana. Solana, we're getting a nice little. We want to see this next candle get above here. If not, then that's a failure. So I like to see a 4-hour closing above, let's say, let's just say 150, 158.50. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above there. That would look nice on Solana. Then we could get up, above the 160. And then we've been getting a lot of resistance at my point here at 165. So I like to see a 4-hour candle closing above there. And then I'd be looking for 178 if we can do that, guys. 178, 180. And if this 156 does break down and we get back into this trend again, I would like to see a bounce around 152 or 150 area. If not, then 140 and 135 would be on deck. Okay, so that's for Solana. Shib, this is just a little triangle I drew up on the 1-hour chart, but the bigger time frames, we're still looking at this bigger move that we haven't been able to break trend since the all-time high, or since the last high, I should say. So yeah, I would like to see us break this, get past this area here at 26.91 would be a nice area to get a 4-hour candle closing, and then opening above that for continuation. If not, I want to see 25 hold up. If 25 holds up, we did get my buy zone, which is my purple box here. So if you guys did get that buy and you bought my purple box, that was a nice 18% gain. Awesome move. But let's see. If not, we want to see this purple box hold up, which is 23.66 to 22.76. If that doesn't hold, then we could be looking at the 20.90 area, and then the 17.85 to 16.55 area. Okay, this would be a good place for me to purchase some more SHIB to go long on it. I'm still long on it, guys. because I still have some that we bought for so cheap that I don't care. I'll just hold it and see what happens. But that's it for SHIB. I would add more down maybe in this area. Add a little bit more to my holding account. Let's see here. I think we went over Solana is looking better. See if it continues. We don't want to see any kind of rollover. Let's look at the hour chart, see what we got. Okay, so we could draw something up here on the 1 hour. Let's see. What do we got? Actually, I should take. Is this a high? Let's go to the 4 hour. See what we got there. 4 hour. Yeah, not looking that great on the 4 hour. Let's go back to the 1 hour. All right. So what we want to do here. Not really. Not really. Let's see what we got. Do we have any kind of, I mean, guys, there's not much here. It's just kind of sideways movement within the range of 156 to 165. So, I mean, this is just the range that we're trading in right now. So right now I'm just getting sideways in this range. Oh, God, that was a terrible draw. Like sideways in that range. Basically, it just has to make up its mind. We are at the bottom of the range. So let's see. This could be a good spot and then kind of hold this area coming in at 156. So let's see what happens there, guys. There's not much to this right now. Let's see how much time I got. I got 11 minutes. Let's look at Cardano. Anything we see on the 1 hour. God, everything just does not look right. I mean, just from an eyeball test. Basically, Cardano is the same thing. We're in a range from 217 to 225. It's going to break either way. So that's what I'm looking at right now, just sideways action from that level. You could draw something up like this. Okay. Here. Okay. So this little channel right here, let's see if it breaks to the upside or comes down a little bit more and we get a bounce. So that's what I'd be looking at for Cardano. Matic looks a little bit interesting. Let's see what we can see on the 1 hour chart for a nice trade. I can see us maybe breaking trend here. If let me see, get something there. Give it to me. Let's see here. It's kind of getting close to this on the 1 hour. And Cardano is kind of doing the same thing, anywhere from 144 to 160, it looks like. And it does look like it's breaking down a little bit here. So let's see what happens with Matic. This is the Matic chart. I don't know if I said Cardano. This is Cardano, Matic, Solana. Let's see. We could probably draw a trend here. Let's see. From here to here. This is our main. So when I zoom out, guys, I want to show you this real quick. This is our main trend right up from the top, which we broke, which I thought we would break out from here, but it's just been like very, very weak. It's been very, very weak. It's kind of giving me a red flag. So, I thought we'd get a huge breakout here. We got a little breakout, but I mean, this is on a big, big trend like this. It just doesn't seem right. Something doesn't seem right, guys. Something does not seem right on a bull market here. That's all I'm saying. This is supposed to be a bull market. We're supposed to be, rocketed shipping here. But something does not seem right. Let's go to the 1 hour. I should have did dot again, guys, because I was really liking the dot chart. So we do got a bullish wedge here on the 1 hour. I mean, it's not really anything special. Basically, we just want to see, forget all this. Basically, we just want to see this 156 hold up. Okay? If that doesn't hold up, then let's see if we get a bounce off this trend coming in around 155. If that blows under and we get a candle closing under there, then like I said, we'll look for another targets. So Ethereum, anything special on Ethereum? 1 hour chart. Let's see. Can we draw something up from the top? Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We got this. Okay. And we got this. So we're kind of in this channel on the 1 hour chart. So let's see. If we come down in this channel, we could get a bounce right around this 37.67 area. If 3,800 doesn't hold, okay? 3,800 doesn't hold. If not, then we're going to the upside. Okay, Bitcoin. Guys, everything was looking good for a minute when we first started this video. Now, not so hot. It's not looking so good right now on the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. It's not looking so good. So maybe we get our bounce off of where we were looking at, the 60,000 or the 60,500 area. Let's see if we get a bounce off there. 1 hour. We're going to do the same thing here. Okay. Kind of a, let's see what we got here. Let's see here. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Where would that keep us? Where would that give us a bounce at? I don't like that. Let's see if it breaks this trend. And let's see if this bounces off of 60,500. If not, $6,000 hold, $60,000 holds up, guys. So I'm gonna get this video out to you guys because things are looking. It's not. I mean, you see Matic breaking down. Cardano looks like it's getting ready to break down. Solana's looking okay. Shiba is breaking down. Bitcoin's not looking that great anymore from when we first started our video. So let's see if we get a bounce. I'm going to try to get this video out to you guys. So if we do get a bounce, you guys can take advantage of it, okay? Listen, much love to you guys. I'm going to put a link to Webull and a link to Twitter in the description. Guys, make sure you sub so we can go live and start doing some charts that you guys want to do. Get me to 1,000 so we can start this chat. And also, I got something big coming up when we do go live. I am going to bring on a guest to try to get you guys some free coins and try to show you guys, how you can mine for free, and also not just mining for free, but also taking advantage of ways of getting percentages for your money, okay, while your money's on hold. All right, which is very important. He's a specialist in that. He's a he's a Bitcoin miner. He started mining Bitcoin when long time ago, guys. He's a friend of mine, a very smart guy. So I'm going to bring him on when I go live, which will be very, very interesting, very fun thing to do. So make sure we get to 1,000. We're going to show you guys some tricks of the trades. That's his specialty. He just shows me, and I kind of I'm more of just the trader, guys. I have some things that he told me to do that's been working out pretty good, but I wouldn't suggest anything until I do it myself. So I'm doing it myself, and it's working out pretty good so far. So if it keeps that up, I'm going to introduce it to you guys so you guys can get free passive income and make sure it works. Also free SHIB and everything else. I just want to make sure everything goes good before I announce it to you guys and put it out there on YouTube. Okay. So listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate it. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. You guys have a great night and peace out.